Hi guys, and welcome to Bunches of Lunches.
Summer edition!
That's right, you guys. We already announced what our big summer plans are, and we're super excited for those, but it's a little bit early still. This week, we're going to be finding fun things to do close to home, and you guys, it's supposed to be a hot one. And of course, I have lots of fun lunches planned this week as well.
Now, before we get started, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Monday!
Okay guys, so here's the story. Right now, we cannot get into our kitchen. We don't have access to our stove or our fridge, and that's because we got our tile fixed today. It looks so good, but we can't go in there. Since I can't actually cook lunch today, what if we go to McDonald's?
Yeah!
Heard that they have Toy Story toys right now. So you excited?
Yeah!
Let's go. Okay, so we ended up ordering the kids all the same Happy Meal. We got the 4-piece chicken nugget with ranch for dipping. We got a teeny tiny little thing of French fries, some chocolate milk, and apple slices. And everyone did end up with the same toy. Jackson, show us your toy.
So it does this. You press this button, and it's actually pretty obvious.
Uh-oh, where did Buzz go?
And my tear.
Oh, look at Buzz likes French fries. Okay, we just realized that with these Happy Meal toys, if we get all of them, they fit together like a little RV. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Should we try to find them all?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know, that's a lot of McDonald's.
Uh-huh.
Maybe on our road trip we can get some more.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yummy. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Happy Tuesday.
So our kitchen is back together today so we can make a lunch at home. But first, our activity today is going to the movies.
Yay! And what are we gonna see?
Secret Life of Pets 2. Yeah! Now, I've actually never seen the first one, but was it good?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Let's go.
Do you want to go to the movies?
Yeah.
We're going to see the one about doggies.
Oh, yeah.
Go get your shoes on. Let's go. Now, I know a lot of movie theaters in our area have a special deal on Tuesday where it's a little bit cheaper to go to the movies. Let me know in the comments down below if you have something like that at the movies near you. Okay guys, so we're back from the movie now, and I have to say it was a really cute, definitely a good one for the whole family to see together. And of course, I love that the movies have air conditioning, perfect for a super hot day like today. But now we're back home and it's time to make lunch. So I thought since we just watched a movie about dogs, that mini corn dog muffins would be perfect for this lunch, and quick and easy to throw together. So the first thing I have to do is prepare the corn muffin mix. This is actually really easy. I just have to add a few ingredients in here, and even though I don't often make cornbread, whenever I do, I usually grab the Jiffy box. I don't know, you guys, this is just the brand that my grandmother used, and so that's what I use, but it always turns out really tasty. Really, all it needs is 1 egg and some milk. You stir it all together and it's good to go. Now that my batter is ready, I'm gonna set that aside and get chopping on my hot dogs. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the hot dogs, and I'm cutting these pretty small. Then I'm going to load up my pieces of hot dog into my muffin liners. And I'm adding a good amount of hot dog, maybe 5 or 6 or 7 of these little pieces. Then I'm gonna top that with the cornbread batter and get them into the oven. Now I'm gonna be serving these to the kids right away so they're still nice and hot, but these are also good at room temperature as well. I'll go ahead and give the kids some ketchup. I think that goes really well with corn dog muffins. And now I'm gonna move on to the fruits and veggies. I decided to go with the kids' favorite. They love cucumbers. So I'm just making some big crinkle cut slices here and sticking them right in the lunchbox. Oh yes, and I will include some ranch for the kids to dip the cucumbers in. And now for the fruit, something extra special today. I'm gonna be adding lots of cherries. Now it is definitely cherry season where we're from, and they're actually really popular. And you can find these cherries at roadside stands and like all the grocery stores. It seems like everyone loves these cherries, especially my kids. Now with most of my lunches, I also like to include a snack idea. So for today's snack, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some of these limited edition goldfish crackers. You guys, I found these at Target and they are so cute. Of course, there's regular fish shapes in there. Also some little pineapple shapes with smiley faces, of course. They are really cute. So I'm just gonna put a little scoop in here. And then on the other side, these are cinnamon flavored apple chips. These are sweet and cinnamony, very crispy. Everybody loves them. And then last but not least, since we did see The Secret Life of Pets movie today, I thought I would offer the kids some of these cute little animal drinks. Some of them are flavored water, and I also have a few fruit and veggie juices, so the kids can choose whichever one they want. Okay, Lily, what do you think of the corn dog muffins?
They were kind of good, but they were really, really hot.
Really hot? Yeah, I tried one. They were a little bit dry. Maybe I overcooked them just a tad.
Also, I really liked the cherries and the apple chips.
What'd you guys think of the movie?
It was good. It was good.
Was it funny?
Yeah.
What does the puppy say?
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Are you vlogging today?
Yeah, I'm taking pictures.
For today's activity, I'm taking the girls to Target. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So next week, the oldest 3 kids are going to summer camp. So we need some things for that. We also need some snacks and maybe some activities for our upcoming road trip. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, we're checking out the summer dresses. We love the summer dresses at Target. In fact, you can see that we have quite a bit of these dresses already. What's on that dress, Kenzie?
Avocados.
Okay, that's different. Girls, did you see the Disney dresses?
No.
Look at the Disney dresses. They're so cute.
I don't recognize this.
Look, you guys. Oh, this one's for you.
I like it. Like, I don't recognize this from anywhere.
Ooh.
I do.
We've made our clothing selections. I think we're gonna hang on to these until our next trip to Disney. Right now the girls are checking out the dollar spot. We need to get some snacks and then we need to get home and make lunch.
I found these cute little tiny keychain squishies.
Oh, let me see. So cute.
I got all my favorites. The cat, the elephant, and the sloth.
Nice. What'd you find?
Bubbles.
Okay friends, we are back from Target now and it's time to make lunch. Now I forgot to mention that this week I'm actually making no sandwiches at all, and even though I don't have to, I'm still gonna make these lunches as cute and fun as I can. So for this lunch today, I'm gonna throw together some chicken salad, but I actually don't have any cooked chicken on hand, so instead I'm gonna be using canned chicken. Now if you've never tried this before, it surprisingly makes a really good chicken salad. It's kind of like tuna salad, but of course not, it's not fish. This chicken comes packed in water, so I definitely want to drain that all off and then get the chicken into a bowl. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a touch of mayonnaise. Now, as for the rest of this chicken salad, I'm keeping it really simple. I'm not going to add any nuts or grapes or anything like that. I am going to go ahead and add lots of celery, and I'm cutting this really nice and small. And then I'm also going to finally chop up a little bit of onion, not too much. Thankfully, my kids aren't too picky when it comes to onions, so I'm gonna get those into the bowl. Next, I'm just gonna add a good amount of salt and pepper, and then all I have to do is mix it all up. Now, like I said, I'm not actually making any sandwiches today, so I've taken this chicken salad and put it in a separate little dish. To go along with this chicken salad, I'm gonna add some crackers. These ones are a lot like Ritz crackers, so the idea is that the kids can add a little scoop of the chicken salad directly on top of the cracker and then just eat it like that. I'm gonna go ahead and add the crackers right in here. Keeping them totally separate from the chicken salad is gonna help them stay nice and crispy and not get all soggy. In this back section, I'm gonna go ahead and add more celery. And for our fruit today, I'm adding some cantaloupe with a cute little elephant pick just for fun. For snack time today, I'm throwing in a Jif Power Up bar. These are the new s'mores flavor. And then for the drink, the kids can have either lemonade or water. Okay, Kenzie, what do you prefer, chicken salad or egg salad?
Egg salad. But this chicken salad was really good too. I especially like to eat it on crackers. Next time I would like the Jif bar to not be melted.
It's kind of messy when it's melted, right?
Yeah.
It's just so hot today. Hey guys, and happy Thursday. Now, since it's over 100 degrees outside, we decided that we're just gonna stay home today. I'm gonna be making a bunch of different breakfast items and then sticking them in the fridge and the freezer so we can use them throughout the week. Of course, I'm also making a video while I do this so I can share it on this channel. And if you wanna check out that video, I'll go ahead and link it down below. So while I'm working on the breakfast and making the video, I'm gonna get the kids set up with their computers. So I'm pretty sure that this is new, but if you've ever heard of ABC Mouse, Adventure Academy is pretty similar, it's just for older kids. So while I'm making the breakfast, the kids will be able to get on there. I'm excited for the kids to try this because it looks really educational. There's math and science and reading involved. And anytime I can get them to continue learning over summer break, I am happy about that. So yeah, definitely a more low-key day today, and that's totally fine with me. And speaking of low-key, so is our lunch today. I'm keeping it really simple. I'm making one of the kids' favorites, a classic quesadilla. For this, I'm gonna be using some tortillas. These are the uncooked tortillas. I really like these kind. They're super fresh and delicious. It takes less than a minute to actually cook these before you can use them, and you just end up with a really fresh tortilla. And then, when it comes to the cheese for their quesadillas, the kids really just like to keep it plain. Now, these quesadillas are looking so good, gooey and delicious. I'll go ahead and place them into the lunchbox. And then to go along with the quesadillas, I'm also including a little cup of guacamole. I've had these in my fridge for quite a while and I definitely want to use them up. So the kids can actually dip their quesadillas into the guacamole and eat it just like that. I think they'll love it. Now moving on to the fruit, I'm gonna go ahead and just add some whole strawberries in there. These are nice and fresh strawberries. And then I'm gonna go ahead and dress up these strawberries just a little bit with my googly eye picks. I think my kids will love that. And then for the vegetable today, I'm just gonna add a handful of carrots with some ranch for dipping. For an added snack today, I have some applesauce pouches. And then for a special treat, I have some Rice Krispie treats. Usually I like to make my own, but I thought we could give these a try. And then for the drink today, the kids are just gonna have their water. Okay, Lily, what was the best part of this lunch?
The quesadilla, but mostly the Rice Krispies.
Yeah, the Rice Krispies, they were surprisingly good.
Yeah.
Hey guys, and welcome to Friday. Now thankfully the weather has definitely cooled down quite a bit today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do lunch now. And then for the activity today, we're going to head to the park so the kids can ride their scooters and their ziggles. And if you don't know what a ziggle is, stay tuned because they are really fun. So for the lunch today, since I'm not making any sandwiches, I'm gonna go ahead and make a roll-up instead. For our roll-up, I'm gonna start with some of this flatbread. This one has whole grains and it's high in fiber. But most importantly, it tastes good, so my kids will eat it. Next, I'm gonna spread a thin layer of cream cheese all over my wrap. This is garden vegetable cream cheese, so it has lots of good flavor, and it kind of acts like the glue that keeps our wrap together. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and place several slices of cheese. This is just good old cheddar cheese, right onto our wrap, followed by a couple slices of turkey, and then I'm gonna top that off with some uncured salami. I used to buy this uncured salami all the time, but for some reason I kind of forgot about it. So I think the kids will be excited to see it again. I'm pretty sure they all still like salami. Hopefully they do. I guess we'll find out. So now I'm just gonna wrap this up as tightly as I can and then slice it up. Now, so far so good on our lunch, but it's time to add some fruit. I'm definitely trying to incorporate a lot of local fruits in this week's lunch. So today I actually have some peaches and some apricots. I'll go ahead and let each kid decide which one they'd rather have. Now this particular lunch, Lily and Griffin will end up sharing, and they chose peaches, so I went ahead and sliced those up. For our vegetable today, I'm adding sugar snap peas with some ranch, of course, for dipping. Now to go along with this, I'm also gonna throw in a yogurt drink. This one is actually mango flavored, super delicious. And then for snack time today, I'm gonna add some of these veggie chips. These are the wavy ones. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in a separate snack bag for later. And then I also have some really delicious fruit leather snacks. I have a couple of different flavors here, strawberry or raspberry. And if you've never tried these before, they're kind of like a fruit by the foot meets a fruit leather. They're made with really clean ingredients and the kids love them. And what's really fun is they all include a cute little card. Like this one has a pirate on the outside, and I guess you could collect these cards if you want to. It's pretty cute. And then again for the drink today, the kids are just gonna have their water bottles. Okay, Lily, now I know you like the rolled up sandwiches, but I'm gonna guess that the peaches were your favorite. Am I right?
Yeah. Also the fruit roll-ups.
Yeah, you like those?
And, the chippies.
The veggie chips? Yeah,
Yeah.
those are good. Do you prefer veggie chips or veggie straws?
Veggie straws.
Oh. Next time I'll get those.
Yeah. Bye. Happy Friday!
The weather has finally cooled down so the kids can get on their scooters and their ziggles and play at the park. Are you excited?
Yeah! And yeah!
Yeah. Where's your ziggle?
It's right there. Oh, cool.
Show me how it works.
Oh, cool.
Don't step on the drone. Okay, show me how it works. Don't go too far. Come back. Whoa. Now come this way. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to come back tomorrow for even more fun lunch ideas.